Finding that chess set for your loved one, for your father or husband, can be challenging. I understand. I'd like to share with you some ideas of what people have really enjoyed in the Chess House offerings. Hi, it's Raphael with Chess House, helping you bring home the ideal chess set. One of the sets that people frequently talk about and love the most, in fact gets very high ratings, is this walnut premium JLP hardwood chessboard in the Queen Anne style. It's handcrafted in the US. It's a premium board with a luxurious finish, and I have it paired here with Grandmaster style pieces. A complete set of pieces with extra queens. It's perfect for those games at home and will impress friends and family. Now you can accessorize it in many ways, such as with a walnut box like this. The pieces can even be set inside standing up when the box is closed. If you like that feature, it's very helpful. It keeps those pieces dust-free, keeps the pets from playing with them as well. This combination is an heirloom-style chess set. You can get it as the Grandmaster heirloom-style set with the Queen Anne board, or you can get them separately. You could, of course, put the pieces in one of the Chess House bags, or a pair of those rather, but this set consistently gets high ratings because of the longevity, the desirability for the home, and just the amazing look of this set. So it'll be the perfect set for you to play together and an amazing gift for your loved one. If all you need is pieces, just look for the Grandmaster series chess pieces. If what you're looking for is a premium board, you can get the walnut board by itself. Look for the JLP Queen Anne chessboard in 21 inches. Actually, there's just one size at this point, and it has 2¼ inch squares. The tournament standard, in fact. If you're looking for some bags, these are some high quality cloth bags, drawstring style. That'll work for these pieces and a variety of others. Just search for those. If you'd like a JLP walnut box, this is the one that has the standing up variety. So it's a taller box that allows for the profile of these 4-inch pieces. There's also boxes that are more flatter style, and you can lay the pieces down. It is felted inside, so that helps protect them and keep it quiet. In fact, each of these pieces is felted, so they play very smoothly on the board. You can see and hear that they have some weight to them as well. What you're looking for your loved one is a high quality set that will last through the years. This is everything you need to get started, and any set with board will come in a gift box. So it's a beautiful presentation style. And in fact, it will come with these bags as well, complementary with the pieces or with the pieces and the board as a combination. Look for the heirloom style chess sets at Chess House.